Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 4. So now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we solve this equation. So first of all we solve multiplication, then addition. So 3 times 2 give us 6 plus 5 multiplied by 4. Again we have one addition and one multiplication. So first we solve multiplication. Now 6 plus 5 times 4 give us 20, and now we solve addition. 6 plus 20 give us 26. The final answer is 26.